I'm going to talk about Medicare Supplement insurance plans in Minnesota and Medicare Supplement insurance basics, so stay tuned. Okay, let's talk about Medicare Supplement insurance in Minnesota. And as you can see here, we have Paul Bunyan and Babe the Blue Ox. And I don't know if you've been here. I have not actually been here to see this resemblance of Babe the Blue Ox, but I do remember it as a child growing up, the stories of Paul Bunyan and Babe the Blue Ox. So Babe, obviously a little different being blue. Medicare Supplement in Minnesota, a little different as well. So Medicare Supplement plans across the country are standardized, meaning they're exactly the same. The government actually put something out that makes sense to make it easy for people to compare and choose between one another. So a G is a G, an N is an N, and an F is an F. That's until you cross into Minnesota. So Minnesota thought that they could up the level of intensity on their Medicare Supplement plan, so they put together their own plan, and it just makes it a little more confusing. I assume they were trying to do the right thing to make it better, but it just makes it harder for people to figure out which one is good for them. Now, Minnesota's not the only place, also Wisconsin and Massachusetts, so you're not alone, but it is a little more complicated in Minnesota. So I'm going to show you just a broad overview on what Medicare Supplement insurance is about in Minnesota. So again, where we have G and N and F everywhere else, in Minnesota you have a base benefit program, and then you have to add riders to it to kind of complete your puzzle. And it is a puzzle, and most people have no idea whether they get the right riders or not the right riders. So that's certainly where I can help, and that's what I do, is I help people with Medicare figure it out, make sure we get the right plan for you. You absolutely, very important decision to be made. So this is the one time where you can pick whatever you want and they can't tell you no. So we can put together what essentially is a Plan G or a Plan N, and it's not that complicated to do, but you certainly want somebody to help you do it. If you visit MedicareOnVideo.com, you can put in your basic information there, and then we will do all the thinking for you. So we'll make it easy for you to be comfortable that you've made the right choice. So just take a few minutes, and I have videos on about everything Medicare. So if you want to learn a little bit more, you can get to my YouTube channel, and it'll bring up all my videos on Medicare, and I'd be happy to help. So I hope you found this information helpful, and have a fantastic day.